This video is going to show how to demold the custom injection molded parts after they've been filled with silicone. You of course have to start with a custom injection mold that has been previously filled with silicone and cured. Take a tweezer cutter that looks like this and trim off the material that has come out of the vents during the injection operation. Also peel off any excess silicone that's on the exterior of the mold that's going to get in the way of removing the plastic outer casing of the mold and removing it from the silicone. After removing all the excess silicone, we're going to use an arbor press, and you basically just crack open the plastic. Do it multiple times to loosen the plastic as much as possible. You want to use a blunt tool so as not to cut the silicone during the pressing or cracking operation. Once the part has been thoroughly mashed or cracked up, you can now just use your fingers and start peeling off the plastic away from the silicone. I recommend using some thicker gloves so as to keep the somewhat sharp shards of plastic from cutting into your fingers. Just continue to remove pieces of plastic into the mold until the silicone is completely exposed. Now you will have two areas that are difficult or a little more troublesome to remove, which is the vent and sound bore. Using the tweezer cutter tool, grab the end of the sound bore core, give it some twists, pull it out, and remove it. Use the same technique on the vent. Grab the tip, give it a few twists to loosen it up from the silicone, and pull it straight out from the vent. You can do a number of undercut type of features using this technique. Now that all the plastic has been removed, you can wipe off some remaining pieces. Now that we've removed all the outer casing from the mold, you're left with just the silicone. And at this point you want to use your tweezer cutter and remove the runners that are created by the vents and by the injection port. Clip them as close to the surface of the main silicone mold as possible so as not to leave any surface defects or rough surface elements. Once all the runners and injection port have been removed, the part is now ready for cleaning and coating.